Are you ready to open your presents?
Yeah.
Well then, let's get started.
Oh boy.
Which?
Go ahead and open it.
You've reached Santa's workshop. How can we help you today?
Hello? I tried to get my kid a Twinch from Bookface Marketplace, but it's just a box with no Twinch. Can you help us?
Well, did you first check in with the Better Business Bureau? All you have to do is go to www.bbb.org to find businesses you can trust. For now, Santa's workshop will be sure to provide you with a real Twinch, but please be sure to check in with the Better Business Bureau to avoid any scams in the future.
Thank you. I'll be sure to use the Better Business Bureau in the future.
Thank you, and have a nice day.